Alright guys, so did you by chance buy the DJI Action 2? If you did, you would notice that this is a camera that overheats immediately. So like even just from the unboxing, this thing was already starting to get hot. Like even for staring at it too much, it can just start getting overheating. So I went to DJI's website and found if I could get anything to like, deal with the overheating. And I saw there is a cooling case. However, it does not apply to every region. So depending on what part of the world you are, if you purchase this device, you might get the case, but if you're in some other part of the world, you might not. So before you buy this, just make sure you check your region. I got mine on Amazon. So this case, it says it will help to deal with the overheating. So let's find out how this works. On here is the case that I got. It says magnetic case compatible with DJI Action 2. So the company is Small Ring. So I'm just gonna open this. This is how it comes in the case. From my unboxing, I remember there was no pack to carry this Action 2. So yep, like I said, so this is a little pouch. Oh, it actually feels better than it looks on camera, guys, for real. And here we have the Action 2, guys, and let's take that out. Wow, it feels rigid actually. Even if it's small, it feels rigid. So let's see how this is going to fit. Take one off. So I'm having the camera module, which I guess goes in here. So this top and this top should align properly. So push. I'm pretty careful. I hope this does not scratch the device. Yep, so that's a lock, and I should do the same for the other one. Okay. Guys, it fits in like pretty well, and to be honest, this feels really good on the hand. Now this feels like I'm holding a GoPro. Wow, in minutes. Now it feels like I'm holding an action camera. If you have this, you should be able to, go around, and you shouldn't be worrying about this falling off. Let me see. Yeah, sturdy, good. And all right, so I'm going to try this and come back and tell you how it is, if anything has happened.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, I'm back. I've been out to use this for about an hour to make a video, and I must say something, like it feels very, very comfortable to hold on the hand, and the heat does not disturb anymore as before, because if you know, the Action 2 is made up of metal, so when it's overheated, it's quite uncomfortable to handle on the hand, even if it says magnetic grip case. But this is actually it just feels like the same material you find on the Action 1, or something similar to what you find on the rugged action camera like GoPro. So for me, I think this is like a plus. If you have the DJI 2, you must, I'm not saying you should, I said you must have this, because this just puts your camera on another level. Like, please do make sure you buy this if you have the Action 2. Now I'm not scared if it falls off my hand about it, like, scratching or breaking. At the same time, I'm pretty comfortable to handle it while I'm using it to record, because now I don't feel the heat as much as I would do when I am having the camera when it's naked. So if you did enjoy a clip like this, guys, please do make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.